Hello, welcome back to a new video. This will be my first day vlogging. Yay! I'm just writing the new bike Kinder got me. Thank you so much. It's really nice. Um, there's a bus here, and its school ended, so that's kind of weird. This is a new experience for me. I'm gonna have to keep you guys down because gotta turn the gear. I don't know how to do this. Oh well. I'm just gonna keep the camera down here due to license plates, private information, stuff like that. See, there's the bus. I'm just gonna very, very carefully. It looks like as if it's gonna rain, but I don't really know what to do. Oh, I have to turn up my gear. This whole thing's really new to me. That's my friend Riley. I'll call her later. Oh my gosh. Okay, I need to get used to that. So, I'm at the school right now. I don't really know what to talk about. I was at a pool with my friends Selena and Lydia. I had a bunch of fun. Yeah, and I don't really know what to talk about. This is really new to me. Comment down below if you know what we should do next video. There's a person coming. So I'm just gonna probably put you guys down below. There's a car coming. Oh, that's really. Those are some people talking. Okay. And I was at the pool earlier and I had a lot of fun over there. I made Selena kind of mad because she has a phobia of throw up, and someone threw up in the pool, but it was already cleaned up and stuff. But I told Selena that someone did throw up, and she got really mad at me. I'm probably just gonna ride around. So, when I'm just throwing this out in broad. Wait, never mind. Never mind that. Turning down this street. I'm probably not gonna. There's playground across this really busy street that I'm probably not gonna go to since it looks like it might rain, and I have to be home if it starts raining. I need to get used to these brakes. Um, I'm probably gonna change my name again because I don't know what I was thinking. Can I do it with no hands? That's pretty scary. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That person must have thought I was really weird since I was just recording by myself. There's another car coming, so. Remember, like, subscribe, and share with a friend. I promise there'll be. There's a family right there. I'm gonna go down the street and hopefully there aren't any more families out. I see people, but they probably can't hear me from here. Sorry, I'm really down. I just don't really want to show any information, if you know what I mean. I can hear someone. Aw, that was a family having fun with each other. If you know, like, the gears and what they do, like the number of the gear, what they do, please comment below because I'm not used to this. This is my first time having a bike with gears. There's some people coming up, so. What's the phone battery? 54%. Also, if you know, like, I don't really know how to flip the camera around, if you could teach, comment down below on how to do that, that would be really great. Maybe if I get enough questions in the comments, I might do a question and answer. I might go up there. To the ball diamonds. There's a lot of families around here, so. I promise, guys, there will be a lot more content than this. A lot better content, too. I might go on maybe a run. Maybe tomorrow. I might be hanging out with one of my friends. That'll be a lot of fun. There's a bit of, oh, I wonder who's all playing at CYL. Or these CYL is like a baseball diamonds, if you don't know. There looks like there's baseball people practicing. I think volleyball too. Oh well. I'm just going around in circles. That was a car. Honestly, how do YouTubers do this? I might go out for another 5 minutes, so this is gonna take a really long time to upload. I'll have to deal with it. Oh, I have this crush on this person, and they're a really big jerk towards me, and well, I lost my train of thought. I don't know what that was. Um, but they're I can't even think right now. And I was at the pool and I thought I saw them and I got freaked out. I'll go down this way. There was a person just staring at me. That's embarrassing. But I thought it was them, so I freaked out. Fortunately, it's the summer, so I'll see them a lot less. And maybe I'll stop liking them because I feel like my crush towards this person's really unhealthy. Oh my gosh. The brains. It might just look like I'm on speakerphone with someone. Hopefully. Am I not actually start raining? Because it's starting to clear up a little. I feel really bad for Riley. She just sent me a gift and I haven't answered. I mean, some of my friends do that, so I'll just say I'm busy vlogging. I think I heard her first. Yeah, there's people. Shh. Oh my gosh. I don't like big rocks. This takes forever. There's a lot of garage sales. Earlier, someone was selling pockets for $2, which is really interesting. Well, I'm probably going to see that concludes today's video. Bye!